Hi, my dear students. How are you? Welcome back to our maths class. Did you do last class homework? Did you do? Yes, very good. So, today we learn about prime factorization method of finding HCF or highest common factor. For example, find the HCF of 54 and 72 by the prime factorization method. First, we find division of 54 and 72. We have learned about division method. Okay. Do you know? 54 divide 54 by 2. Can you do? Yes. Then 2, 4, 1 is carry over, then 4 become 14, 7 into 2, 14. Okay, 27 into 2, 54. Then 27, divide 27 by 2. We cannot by 2. So, we take next number 3. 3 into 9. 9 into 3, 27. Then divide 9 by 3. 3 into 3, 9. Then divide 3 by 3. That is 1. Next 72. 72. Divide 72 by 2. Then 3 into 2, 6. Then 2 become 12. 6 into 2, 12. So, 36 into 2, 72. Then divide 36 by 2. 1, 2, 2. Then 6 become 16. 8 into 2, 16. Okay, 18 into 2, 36. Then 18 divide 2. Then 9 into 2, 18. Divide 9 by 3. Okay, we cannot divide by 2. So, we take next number 3. 3 into 3, 9. Then 3 divide 3 by 3. That is 1. Okay, so then 54 is equal to factors 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 occurs in 3 times. Okay. Then 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So, next we find common factors. Common factors are, what are the common factors? Then 2. Okay, 2 in 54 and 72. So, we take 2, comma, next 3. 3. Comma, next 3. 3 and 3. Then 3 is in 54, factor of 54, 3 not occur in 72. So, okay. So, common factors are 2, 3, 3. HCF, thus, HCF of 54 and 72 is equal to, then common factors are multiplied. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 3, 18. 18 is the HCF of 54 and 72. Okay. Let's see another example. Find the HCF of 120, 30 and 90 by prime factorization method. First we find division method 120. Okay, 120. Divide 120 by 2. 6 into 2, 12. 0 into 2, 0. Okay, 60 into 2, 120. Then divide 60 by 2. Then 3 into 6, 0. Okay, 30 into 2, 60. Again 2, 1, 15. 15 into 2, 30. Again 15. Can you divide by 2? We cannot. So we take 3. Okay, 3. 5 into 3 is 15. 5. Divide 5 by 5. 1. Okay. Next divide 30. 30. Then 2. 30. 15 into 2. 30. Then 3. 5 into 3. 15. Then 5. 1 into 5. 5. Okay. Next 90. 90. 90 divide 2. 4 to 8. Then 5 to 45 into 2. 90. Then 45. 45. Can you divide by 2? No. Then 3. 1 into 3. 3. 5 into 3. 15. So the 15 into 3. 45. Then 3. 5 into 3. 15. Again 5. 1. Okay. Next factors. 120 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2. 3. 2 occurs in 3 times. Then 3 into 5. Okay. Next 30 is equal to factors 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Then 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. Next we find what? Common factors. What are the common factors? Tell me. Common factors. Can you say what are the common factors? Common factors are then 2. 2 occur, then 2, 2, 2. So we write 2. Then again 2. 2 is not in 30. Factor of 30. Okay. We cannot take. Then so next 3. 3. 3. 3. And 3. So we write 3. Then again next 5. Then 5. 5. 5. So we write 5. Common factors. Then thus HCF of 120, 30 and 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. We get what? 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 5, 30. We get 30. Next, least common multiple, that is LCM. The LCM of 2 or more numbers is the smallest number which is divisible by each one of the given numbers. Okay, least means small. Common multiple. For example, find the LCM of 6 and 8. Find the LCM of 6 and 8. First, the multiples of 6. What are the multiples of 6? You have learned in previous class what are the multiples. That is multiple. Multiplication. Okay, 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72 and so on. Okay. Next, the multiples of 8. What are the multiples of 8? Can you say? Multiples of 8? Yes, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and so on. Okay. Next, we find the common multiples. Common multiples. Please look at then multiples of 6 and multiples of 8. What are the common multiples? Common multiples are 24, then 48, then 72. Okay. Next, the least common multiple is what? What is the least common multiples? In common multiples, least means small. What is the small? Small number, that is 24. Thus, the LCM is 24. LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Okay. Let's see another example. Find the LCM of 12 and 15. First we find multiples of 12. What are the multiples of 12? Table of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120 and so on. Next, the multiples of 15. What are the multiples of 15? 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105 and 120 and so on. Next, the common multiples. What are the common multiples? Common multiples are 60, 120, etc. Okay. So, thus, the LCM is what? Common multiples are 60 and 120. In this common multiples, what is the least? What is the least or small? Then 60. Oh, then the LCM is 60. Okay. LCM is 60.